Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now today we are starting with this topic relation. What do you mean by relation and what are the subtopics under relation? What are the terminologies we have to study around about this topic? Clear? Now if we see from the starting of the 11th standard, first chapter was set. Fine? हमने set पढ़ा था. What is set? Set is nothing but was a well-defined collection of objects. It's not only the collection of objects, it's a well-defined collection of objects. Fine. उसके बाद what we have studied? We have studied the next topic is what was the Cartesian product. पढ़ा था हमने Cartesian product. Cartesian product is nothing but what? P. If we are having two sets P and Q, then it is P cross Q. What is that? Order pair PQ where small p belongs to capital P and small q belongs to capital Q. This we have studied. This is nothing but well defined. We are just relating the terms with each other, nothing more than that. Well defined collection of objects. This you have studied earlier also. Fine. Now in the last video we studied about the Cartesian product. What was the Cartesian product? It was, if you are given two sets P and Q, so P and Q is nothing but what? It is collection of all the ordered pair of the form P comma Q, where your small p belongs to a capital P and your small q belongs to a capital Q. This was the Cartesian product. Now we further explore this topic and we just continue our cross product. It goes to my next topic which we have to study is, that is relation. So we will form my relation with the help of these two. So first is set, then we using set we form the topic Cartesian product, and on the basis of Cartesian product today we will start with the relation. Now what do you mean by relation? In the general language, if you talk about in English only, what do you mean by relation? Relation is nothing but like we have some relation is some connection is there. Some connection is there कि मेरा उससे कोई relation है, means कुछ मेरा रिश्ता है उससे, कुछ भी मेरा कनेक्शन है उससे मेंटली, कुछ भी हो सकता है. इट कैन बी द फाइनेंशियल रिलेशन, वी कैन हैव द इमोशनल रिलेशंस. अब फ्रेंड्स होते हैं उनके साथ रिलेशन होता है फ्रेंडशिप वाला, ठीक है. घर वालों के फैमिली वालों के साथ वी हैव द ब्लड रिलेशनशिप, ठीक है. फ्रेंड्स के साथ हमारा अलग, सबके साथ अलग अलग रिलेशनशिप होता है. तो इसी तरीके से आज हम, बट हियर वी विल स्टडी द टॉपिक रिलेशन इन द टर्म्स ऑफ set only. We are given the two sets and then we have to study what is the relation between those two sets using the theory of Cartesian product only. Clear? Now just see. If we talk about what is relation, suppose I am giving two sets. Just talking generally. Suppose I am giving two sets. One set A, one set B. A and B. Suppose I am giving these two sets and the elements are 1, 2, 3 and here we have X, Y, Z. Fine. So two elements. Now if I define a relation between these two, if I define relation is denoted by capital R. So I am defining my relation from this set to this set B. Suppose I say 1 is related to X, 1 is related to Y also, 1 is related to Z, then 2 is with Y, X, Y and Z again, and 3 again. 3 also related with X, Y, Z. Fine. If we form it, it will be what? It is nothing but the Cartesian product. This we have done earlier also. This is nothing but what? Cartesian product. What will be that? 1 comma X, it will be ordered pair with 2 comma X, then 3 comma X, similarly 1 comma Y, 1 comma X, 1 comma Y, 2 comma Y, and it's 3 comma Y, and last is 3 comma X. 3 comma X we have done earlier. It's 1 comma Z, 2 comma Z and 3 comma Z. This is the relation with this. This is the Cartesian. अब आप बोलोगे मैम this is the Cartesian product we have. Yes बच्चा, you are absolutely right that this is nothing but कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट A क्रॉस B, दिस इज नथिंग बट A क्रॉस B, ठीक है. बट व्हाट इज रिलेशन? रिलेशन इज नथिंग बट it can be the subset of Cartesian product also and it can be the whole Cartesian product set also. So what is relation? Relation is nothing but a subset of your Cartesian product. It can be the subset कि कुछ ही एलिमेंट्स का आपके साथ है कनेक्शन है और कुछ का एलिमेंट उसके साथ कनेक्शन नहीं है, ठीक है. ये हो गया. सो दिस इज व्हाट इज रिलेशन? रिलेशन इज नथिंग बट सबसेट ऑफ योर गिवन सबसेट ऑफ Cartesian product of the given two sets. This is very simple topic. We will see this more clearly and with the next example. इसमें क्या था कि first of all you find out the Cartesian product of given two sets and define your set, define your relation. Relation from, where is the relation? Relation from set A to set B, and then we will define like this. इसलिए मैंने बोला कि जो रिलेशन है वो आपका पूरा सबसेट ऑफ कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकता है और पूरा सबसेट पूरा कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट भी हो सकता है. फॉर एग्जांपल नेक्स्ट इफ वी सी द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल हाउ इट इज डिफाइंड, बिकॉज वी हैव टू स्टडी टू मोर टर्म्स हियर. वन इज डोमेन, अदर थ्री टर्म्स. वन इज डोमेन, वन इज कोडोमेन and one is range. Fine. These three things also we have to study from this. If we see the example apart from this relation only, now if we see this example, I have defined my relation from a set A to set B where elements of set A are 1 2 3 4 and elements of the set are A B and C. Clear? So these are the two sets we are given. So what is my relation? My relation is capital R defined from capital A to capital B. These are the two sets which I have defined. Now इसमें मैंने कोई definition नहीं दिया आपको कि what should be the R. I just make the pictorial arrow diagram. सिर्फ arrow diagram बनाया मैंने. This is also called arrow diagram. I just make the pictorial representation of these two sets. कोई relation define नहीं किया है तो मैंने जो जो क्रॉस किया है जहां जहां जिसका साथ रिलेशन है सिर्फ उसको अपना रिलेशन बनाएंगे. सो व्हाट विल बी द रिलेशन फ्रॉम हियर? रिलेशन विल बी द ऑर्डर्ड पेयर ऑफ वन इज रिलेटेड टू ए, वन बी एंड वन सी. सो वन ए, वन बी एंड वन सी. नेक्स्ट टू ए और टू के साथ सी जा रहा है तो टू ए और टू सी. 3 is with B and 4 is with B also. 3B and 4B. So in this question, this is my relation. So this relation is nothing but from set A to set B. This is nothing but the collection of all ordered pair which have some relation from set A to set B. Now, as I told you, next term here comes what is domain. One is domain, one is range, and one is codomain. So this is very simple to remember what is domain. Now if we see clearly these ordered pairs of the relation, domain is nothing but your set of all first elements of what? Of ordered pair of relation. Of ordered pair of relation. कि जो भी आपके रिलेशन में ऑर्डर्ड पेयर आपको गिवन है, ये गिवन है, इनमें जो भी फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स है कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल दोज इज कॉल्ड योर डोमेन. सो व्हाट विल बी डोमेन फ्रॉम हियर? हियर इफ वी सी व्हाट आर द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट्स, वन इज देयर, वन अगेन वन, सो रिपीटिशन इज नॉट अलाउड, अगेन 1 2 and the last is 3 and the 4. So what will be the elements in the domain? Domain will be 1 2 3 and 4. Please don't repeat the elements if repetition is there. Clear? The next topic is in this only. What is range? What is range? यहाँ पे क्या था? Domain is first of all, but second भी तो बचे अभी हमारे पास. So range is nothing but set of all second elements. Second elements of ordered pair of relation. अब क्या है मेरे पास इसमें? क्या है? A is there, B is there, C is there, again A, B, C, A, B, C are they are just repeating. So what elements will be there in the range? Range will be my A, B and C. These are the elements in my domain and in my range. Clear? Now the last topic is in this, what is codomain? What is codomain from here? Codomain is very simple. Codomain is nothing but your set B always. जो आपका लास्ट का दूसरा सेट होता है फ्रॉम A to B जो हम डिफाइन करते हैं, P to Q जो हम डिफाइन करते हैं, जो सेकंड सेट होता है, योर सेकंड सेट इज नथिंग बट ऑलवेज योर कोडोमेन. ठीक है, अब आपको दिख जाता है यहाँ से एक रिलेशन निकल के आता है. योर रेंज इज नथिंग बट योर सबसेट ऑफ योर कोडोमेन. बात समझ में आ रही है? सो दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ ए रिलेशन. How to define a relation, how to find out a relation. Relation can be in the set builder form or in the roster form. So you according to a question you change your question according to. अगर set builder दिया है तो roster में जो भी आपको जिस हिसाब से करना है, that you have to just convert your set roster to set builder or set builder to roster according to your need. Then you have to find out domain. Domain is what? Set of all the first elements of your ordered pair. Range is what? Set of all second elements of your ordered pair. And what is codomain? Codomain is nothing but your second set always. Set B दिया है, set Q दिया है. What is that? So this is the concept of relation, codomain, domain, range. ठीक है? Now some properties are left. I'll do those properties with you. Then we'll come see. Now if I ask you, in the last video I told you if you are given two sets and you are given number of elements in the set, तो आपको निकालना है कि total number of Cartesian product में कितने elements होंगे. That you have done कि if you are given number of elements in A is P and number of elements in B is Q. This I told you. So how to find out number of elements in their Cartesian product? This I told you. This is nothing but P cross Q. ये बताया था. इसमें कितने हैं? A में है 4, A में कितने हैं? 3. So here will be 4 into 3 and the elements will be 12. So this was how to find out Cartesian, number of Cartesian. But if I talk about how to find out number of relation. Number of relation कैसे निकालोगे आप? So number of relation is nothing but the general formula is 2 to the power PQ. So here it will be PQ is what? 12. So 2 to the power 12 will be the number of relation from this set A to set B. Clear? This was a small thing which I left. Now this is the complete. This is relation, domain, range, codomain. Baki how to solve question that we will see in the next exercise. Till then you keep practicing, and please if you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and like the video and subscribe the share it with your friends. Otherwise आप कुछ ना कुछ मिस कर दोगे बच्चा. ठीक है? दिस इज अ वेरी सिंपल टॉपिक. बच्चों को पता नहीं क्यों डर लगता है. सो जस्ट गो थ्रू दिस एंड हैव फन विद मैथ्स. डोंट वरी, इट विल बी very easy for you now. Fine. Now this is it. In the next video we'll start with some of the questions of relation, how to find out your domain and range of these. ठीक है? Till then you keep practicing and thank you so much.